Piezoelectric effect refers to the ability of certain materials, that is piezoelectric crystals. It is a crystalline material which contains electron and ion, and that can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So the working principle of this model is, when a person walking on the road, the mechanical stress from the footstep is transferred as force. This force deforms embedded piezoelectric materials, which generates electricity from the footsteps. Some designs are used, that is electromagnetic induction, where the motion from the steps induces current in the coil that can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy.
It can be used in any climatic condition, like solar energy, which is used in only due to the sun, but it can be used in any climatic condition, any season, and it doesn't cause any pollution.
In solar energy, they contain silicon and phosphorus, which produced from mining. As we all know, if we do with mining, it causes many more pollution.
How you got this idea?
Sir, from our sir.
Okay.
Research.
It's good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How it works? तो मिक्स करके वाटर रखो तापर
Another copy is
এটা অলরেডি ফাইনাল করবের হইছে রিসার্চ বাট ইন্ডিয়ার হইছে যে আমি আসছি খবর
the vapor is converted into liquid. ସହଜରେ କେମିତି ମନେ ରଖିବ
वेरी नाइस हां एटा केमिति जनाइबल पिलामाननको
ये रेसिप्रोकल परस्पर विपरीत sin थीटा into cosec थीटा is equal to 1, tan थीटा into cot थीटा is equal to 1, sec थीटा into cos थीटा is equal to 1.
राइट एटा डायरेक्शन कोन ये करूची दिस डायरेक्शन इज व्हाट sin plus cos 1 or what Good morning. What is your project?
Sir, our project is about the landslide management.
So, how this project works?
Sir, when this technology predicts the landslide before 30 minutes, for which the life of different type of citizens get rescued by this technology.
How this technology works?
When there is an earthquake or there is a movement of land, it is measured by the Richter scale. Landslide.
How you got this idea? On your own? Good idea from Visaravitale. Okay. What is your good name?
My name is Vijay Sapta.
What is your project?
My project name is automatic irrigation system.
କେମିତି କରିବେ ତାକୁ ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ହେଉଛି
ମାନେ କୃଷକ ହେଉଛି ମାନେ ପାଣିଟା ମଡ଼ାଯାଏ ମାନେ ପାଣି ସେଚନ କରାହେଉଛି ତାର କିପରି କରିବାର ହେଉଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯାହା ମଡ଼େଲ କନେକ୍ଟ ରହିବ ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ହେଉଛି ପାଣି ହେଉଛି ମାଟିର ଆର୍ଦ୍ରତାକୁ ମାପିଥାଏ ଯେଉଁଟା ହେଉଛି ପାଣି ଆସି ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ହେଉଛି ଗଛ ମୂଳ ଯାଇ ପାଣି ପହଞ୍ଚି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ମଟରଟି ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ ଠିକ୍ ଗଛ ମୂଳ ଭିତରେ ପାଣି ଶୁଖେନ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ
Nowadays, we can see the student suicide rate increasing year and year. In 2023, it was recorded 13,089 students suicided. Why? A common answer we got when the course changed. What is the reason of student suicide? That health issues, high level of stress, tension, depression. Everyone will talk about this, but no one will know what is the issue. Student suicide or mental health. Negative social media. So in this app, I have organized in this app, I have professional psychologists and psychiatrists. As psychologist studies behavior, so psychologist can give positive vibe, can understand the matter, and can help the mentally disturbed students to how to deal with it, can show them how to handle it, to manage it. It has so many features that makes it unique, special than all available resources. ऐसे में स्टूडेंट हेल्पलाइन नंबर है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट क्यों कांटेक्ट नहीं करे, बढ़ रहा है, क्यों कांटेक्ट नहीं करे? अगर हम एक स्टूडेंट बनकर देखिए, जब कोई परेशानी आती है हम डरते हैं, अगर मैं किसके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, कहीं वो मेरा आइडेंटिटी लूज तो नहीं कर देगा, कहीं वो मेरा गलत इस्तेमाल तो नहीं करेगा, हम कंसिक्वेंस के से डर जाते हैं, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि वो मेरे नाम पर कहीं कुछ बोले, whatever the problem, जैसे वो शेयर नहीं करते. Sharing is caring. Sharing your feelings with someone can help you to share the burden that you are feeling.
What you suggesting?
जैसे आप यहाँ पर आएंगे तो हम लोग किसी भीड़ जमा के बैठे आपसे बात करेंगे. अगर ऐसे ही आप जैसे लोग आकर इस इवेंट में ऑर्गेनाइज जो होगा अवेयरनेस में करेंगे तो बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे. हम सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ पर नहीं करेंगे अवेयर, उसके साथ पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स को भी करेंगे.
You have done a lot of work.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Good morning, sir. Myself Deputy Sir Gaya. सर हम लोग एक ऐप बना रहे हैं जो करप्शन को बंद कर सकते हैं. उससे पहले सर मैं आपको
At least 10 bridges have collapsed in Bihar. And this is one of the 9 bridges which has fallen in last 12 days. And it,
So how can you do that like in small?
इसके लिए लिथियम आयन बैटरी मतलब ऐसे यार ऐसे एक स्टैंड के अंदर करप्शन लेजिस्लेशन ना डायरेक्शन दपाई जमते अलर्ट करिया पाए दिल्ली यूज पाए जमते माने घर बुलुची आगर गोटे फ्रिज आसीगला कि कांथरा किसी आसीगला तो सेटा गोटे सेफ डिस्टेंस ताको अलर्ट कर दो आपन सामने किसी गोटे सेटा.
So you use a different sound. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. From which OAV you are?
OAV
Today.
And we are from Siddhivinayak Public School.
So what is your idea? We will do the plastic paralysis. Yes. So what do you generate from that?
So we can generate fuel and gas.
Yes.
Where you will use that fuel?
The fuel can be used to make new plastics,
Right.
and the gas produced here can be used in cooking and other fire repairing activities.
Chalo. Very good. Good idea. Very required now.
Public school. This is our eco-friendly project on carbon purification for industries. Carbon purification is an essential process in various industries to reduce greenhouse gas emission and improve air quality. The model demonstrates the importance of carbon purification in industries, simple, cost-effective method for purifying carbon. The aims and objective of this model is that to design and develop a model that demonstrates the process of carbon purification in industries. It purifies and captures CO2, making it usable and safe for storage. The merits of the project is that reduce greenhouse gas emission, improve air quality, etc.
So what
The
is-
mechanism
what will you generate from purification?
Yes, sir.
How will you do the purification?
Sir, when carbon goes to the conveyor belt, then the conveyor belt moves in this direction,
Right.
and the carbon particles, because they were heavy, they go to the water and they were filtered, and they we can store as a coal or for other resources.
Very nice idea.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ଧର ମାର୍କେଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଦୂରକୁ ଗଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଧର କୌଣସି ଚୋର ତାକୁ ଖୋଲିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଏଟିଏମ୍ରୁ ପଇସା ଉଠାଇଲି ସାର୍ ଏଠି ରଖିଲି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଗାଡ଼ି ରଖିଦେଇ ପଳେଇଲି ସାର୍ ମନେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଚୋରି କରିବାକୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କିଣନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍ ମୋତେ कि मुझे बहुत दूर रही भी केमी जाना
सर आखपाखर लोक थे सर एटा आम देश प्रचलित हेल्ले लोक मैंने जापर लोक मैंने जानी सारापर धर साइरन बाजो चोर तो निश्चय जापर साइरन बाजला मैंने गोटे किसी सिक्यूरीटी लगे सी निश्चय सतर्क हम आखपाख लोक मैंने सतर्क हो जानवे कौट चोरी है चोरी है मैंने से देखिए केउटी बाजुची और चोरटी को धरिकी आईन को हस्तांतर कर
इन फ्यूचर तुम ताको मोबाइल रो भी गोटे ये दे पारिबो मोबाइल रे भी अलर्ट आसी हां चलो गुड आईडिया
सर आउट सर एटा हो गाड़ी सर जतले माने आपण गाड़ी रखी जाउछंती सेतबेले चोर माने होची माने डायरेक्ट करी नहीं सर एटा हला मो गाड़ी सर एटी लाइट आसला सेल फादिला हॉर्न फादिला इंडिकेटर काम कला सब किन जतले मु गाड़ी रखी जिमी सेतबेले धर कौन चोर एटा खुलिया चेष्टा करी सर आर सर डुप्लिकेट चाबी ना सर एटा गोटे स्विच सर स्विच रू तार डायरेक्ट करिया जहाँ चाबीटा ऑन करिया सर सर आपन खुलन
गुड आईडिया